What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our front Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1609, down 8%. Big dump, 8.2%. Seeing a market cap of 194 billion. 24-hour volume 21.97 billion. If you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. My favorite exchange for trading. $4,000 blast off bonus for 13 more days. Zero fees on all spot trading pairs until December 31st, celebrating 10 million users. You can sign up through my referral link in the comments. Let's hop into the chart. So Ethereum has been rejected off our way to pullback zone and right off the golden ratio at 1774. So potentially what we could be looking at is we've come down in a wave one, maybe leading diagonal. Wave 2 pullback, this is a wave 3, we see a wave 4, we see a wave 5, which would be a wave 1 of the wave 3. All right, guys, if you want to measure your wave 3 target, what you do, take your trend-based fib extension from the top of your wave 1 down to the bottom of your wave 1 to the top of your wave 2 here. And you would target the 1.618 for a wave 3, which is, whoa, all the way down at 796. Hold on, let me make sure I'm doing that correctly. From the top of wave 1 to the bottom to the top of the wave 2 retracement. Wow. Yeah, so wave 3 would take you down to 796. So that, which would break the previous low here. So this bullish wave count may get invalidated where we see a wave 2 pullback. Unless we see a shallow wave 3, it is possible. See a wave 4, see a wave 5. Of course, a wave 2 can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, which is all the way down here at 934. But this is not the wave count that I think is most likely. The likely wave count, in my opinion, is that we're coming down in a 5-wave move in a wave 5, not in a wave 2 pullback where we've completed a wave 1. What I'm looking at here is that this is a wave 4 from the all-time high, 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4 pullback, and now we're coming down in a wave 5. I've been taking a lot of heat in my comment section, especially when we were pumping up here, calling for Ethereum to come down to 500 to 620, 650 in a wave 5. I think it's the likely scenario, but of course anything is possible. Perfect rejection off our wave 2 zone, and that wave 3 is going to bring you down to about 770 is the technical target, which kind of gives a little bit more confirmation that this wave 2 pullback is unlikely, where we've come up in wave 1 and now we're going through an irregular ABC. We've already put in a 5-wave move to the downside, and now we're starting to create an impulsive move to the upside. I don't think this is likely. This is a bear market rally, and we're going to create a lower low for Ethereum. You have all the moon boys who are excited about the merge, which is in 1 day, 12 hours. You really think Ethereum's going to pump hard? I doubt it. I think it will either dump, which it's already started to do, or price will stay the same and the news won't even affect the price, as I mentioned in my previous video. So this was the really bullish wave count that I also didn't think was likely, where we had completed a wave 1. This was a wave 2 pullback. It's already been invalidated as we were looking at a potential 5-wave move where we came up in a leading diagonal wave 1, ABC into a 2, push up into a 3. But as you can see here, if we take our fib retracement from the bottom of this wave 2 up to the wave 3, this retracement has already come down to the 0.786. A wave 4 pullback cannot exceed the 0.5. So this entire wave count is done, which I thought was likely. I also think it's unlikely that we're seeing a wave 2 pullback and we're going to push up in a wave 3. As I've been mentioning, the wave count I'm looking at is this is a wave 4 pullback. We put in a wave 1. We've seen a perfect rejection in a wave 2. We're coming down in a wave 3. See a wave 4 pullback, a final wave 5 to take you down to 500 to 600, 650, in my opinion. All right, guys, it's just what the charts are telling me, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So potentially we may already be looking, let me take out this little squiggly here. We may already be looking at a wave 1 to the downside. This is a wave 2 pullback. We're now coming down in a wave 3. We see a wave 4 and we see a wave 5 to complete the wave 1 of the larger wave 3. So let's see. If I don't really like micro counting because it's inaccurate, we'll see with the fib extension tool if we've met the wave 3 target. Yeah, so we've met it perfectly. As you can see right here, if this were to be a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, boom, we hit the wave 3 perfectly, the 1.618. So if you do see some retracement here in a wave 4, that's if we bounce from this level. It's not promised. What we can do is quickly take our fib retracement from the top of your wave 2 to the bottom of the wave 3 and wave 4 retracement in between the 0.236 and the 0.5, ideally in between the 0.236 and the 0.382, but it can push all the way up to the 0.5 and a maximum retracement. So your zone to watch here, just going to quickly take this fib out. If Ethereum were to bounce on this level, it's not promised that wave 3 can extend, would be in between 1626 and 1675. So if you see us pull up into that yellow box and we get rejected, then you're looking at a wave 4 pullback coming down in a wave 5 to complete the wave 1 of the wave 3. All right, guys, but this wave 3 is too short. I mean, it would be a really shortened wave 3 because the technical target's all the way down here at 796, which lines up with my prediction that we're coming down in a wave 5, and the wave 3 will take you down to that high 700, and the wave 3 will take you down to that 790 level, wave 4, wave 5, to hopefully complete this bear market. That's what I'm looking at. So we'll have to see what happens. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can also get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Currently in BTC short position, so we'll see how it plays out. Currently in profits there, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Sign up through the Patreon link. Make sure to check out my full length tutorial for Bybit, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.